Okay, we're gonna try this again. Hopefully the sound's picking up. Basically, really quickly, we're gonna cover the sign method for factor and quadratic equations. There's a few basic scenarios. So scenario one is, I'm just gonna write this out. You got situation where you have say a quadratic equation and you have two positive signs in your equation, right? So this first one tells you whether your signs are the same or not. The second one tells you if they're the same, what they are. So you can see you have your factors will be, so in case one, your factors, the first ones are, they're both going to be positive numbers, right? And so let me make this correction right here. This should be 4. So they're both going to be positive numbers. And in this case, a factor of 4, two factors of 4 that add up to 4 will be 2. So first scenario, two positive numbers, two positive signs in your equation. Second scenario, you could have two negative signs. So let's say x squared minus 4x. Actually, let's say a negative and a positive plus 4. So in this case, you have two signs. They're both the same. That's what this sign tells you. And they are both negative. That's what that second one tells you. So the first one tells you if they're same or not. Technically, the second sign is telling you which sign or which factor is greater. But if they're both the same, it doesn't matter. So two signs of 4, positive 4, two factors of positive 4 that add up to negative 4 will be negative 2 and negative 2, right? So that was scenario 2. Scenario 3, you could have one factor being positive, one factor being negative. So let's say x squared minus 2, let's see, minus x minus 6, right? So one of your factors is a negative, and it's the higher one. That's what this second sign really tells you, which one's higher or not. So you can say you got x minus 3 and x plus 2. Different signs, the higher number is after the negative sign. That's what scenario 3 tells you. And lastly, scenario 4, when you have, let's say, two, let's say plus here. So say plus x and then minus 6. So you have different signs again, but this time the higher number is positive. So you'll have x plus 3 times x minus 2. And that's how the sign method works. You're looking at the first sign. First sign will tell you whether or not both of your factors have the same sign. All right, that's what that one's for. And the second sign will tell you which sign your greater number has. Right, so your greater number will have whatever sign is here. And if they happen to have a plus here on this first number, then both of your signs or both of your factors will have whatever sign is showing right here. So minus means different sign, plus means same sign. I hope that helps, and good luck, guys. See you next video.